Hi boys and girls. Okay, we are going to design the cover page for your sketchbook today. So you will be given a sheet similar to this or this, depending on what I have at your building. You're going to color it however you like. Be sure your name is printed in here. Let's do it on both so you can see. Then you're going to color that in and then choose a messy mat that I've cut down to size. Pick the one that you like the best. Figure out which side you like the best. So I like the purple on this side. I'm going to use this as my outside. And then you're going to fold it in half. And you're going to glue this onto it when you get it completely colored. Okay? And then it is your job, if you want to, if you have time, to design on this. Like, I like to take this. You can see someone actually drew on this. I'd probably just turn that into something, right? I could even make it into a happy flower. So just take the time if you have it. You won't have a lot of time. You could even just, some people like to just look for the shapes and outline the shapes because it's kind of interesting to see all the different shapes that were created by the paint. So if you feel very abstract, you could just follow the shapes, right? If you want to draw things that you're interested in on here, that would be okay also. I mean, whatever you like. I could actually do things that I love, right? Or sometimes what happens is you actually see something. This is starting to look like a dragon to me, so, or with like a dog's ear. So I'm going to make this, and he's eating something. I'm not sure what. That looks like a foot. Might put in another foot. So you might just get inspired by what you have circled. I love to do that. It's almost like looking at clouds, where you see things in the clouds. You'll start to see things in the shapes that you outline. So that could be a fun thing to do if you have time. But we do have a limited amount of time for these. So when the time is up, I am going to have you turn them in, and we are going to get them laminated so that you have a cover for your sketchbook to use while you're here in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. Okay, so that's the plan. Do whatever you want to do, design however you want to design. You can do Zentangle patterns. So I'm seeing all these lines that someone's put in here. Zentangling, you know, is just a repeated line design. So just have fun with it. Okay, be sure you attach this with a good amount of glue and make sure this is glued down solidly and that your name is on it. You do not need to put your class code because you're going to use this for a couple of years. Okay, I have finished my cover page. I did all kinds of designs and things on the back. I colored this and glued it onto the front. And now I am ready to put this in the finished pile, and Mrs. Walker will be getting these laminated for you, and then we will add paper to the inside, okay? But you definitely need to make sure you have your name on here so that you get yours back.